What the hell? Oh my God, no way. Go, 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 go.
Denied. Nope.
You need to leave.
Which bumbo clot dog I am? Cause this morning I wake up good enough. Give me a good blood clot dog. What kind of little bumbo clot dog this am I give? He can't even bark louder blood clot. He can't even defend me. Come on from a bumbo clot TV.
I got this.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracofer, paracofer.
Why you bully me?
2,000 years later.
Please, B, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Speed, I'm watching the stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful as shit, bro.
Dictador, Kylian dictador.